Welcome to EPICS. This is the project StreetLight USA. This is the key information we use during our project, the main being the email address of our main stakeholder, which is Leah. Her email address is leah@streetlightusa.org. A little background information on StreetLight USA. It is a non-profit organization that helps rehabilitate children of sex trafficking from the ages from 11 to 17. What you see here is a hypothetical blueprint of what StreetLight USA wants to be within the next 5 years. What is in white is currently there. You can see 4 cottages in the bottom right, and the buildings to the left are both the kitchen and office space that need to be renovated. What we focused on mainly was the intake facility, which will be talked more in detail later on. But to go over what they want in full, up on the top level, starting from the left, they want a medical facility, then of course a park, a transition housing, so once these girls become 18, they have a place to go and not just back on the street, a field for recreations, a multi-purpose facility, so like a gym with a hoop, but that also can be used for other things, and a school for these girls to have a stable learning environment for the future. As I said, currently we are focusing on creating a concrete design for the intake facility. So far, we have several rough drafts focusing on ensuring the facility is safe, comfortable, and fun.
This is our design that we have right now. The girls would enter through the front where it says entrance. To the right would be a cozy waiting room and kitchenette, and to the left is the reception desk where the girls will be processed into StreetLight's system. In the back of the building is an office and a welcome room where the girls will get a packet with the rules and purpose of StreetLight, and also a few basic necessities such as pajamas, a toothbrush, and whatever else they might need. One of the most important factors in this building has to be safety. The girls are victims of sexual abuse or sex trafficking, and they often come from dangerous situations, so it's important that the security of the facility is maintained. Many of the girls have psychological and emotional issues, so there is a risk that the girls may self-harm. For this reason, there will be no ceiling fans in the intake facility and no easily accessible sharp objects. There's also a risk of conflict between the girls. For this reason, the intake facility will utilize the open concept so that the girls will be easily supervised, and there will be separate seating areas within the same room to reduce conflict between girls. This slide demonstrates how we would maintain the safety of the intake facility specifically, but maintaining the safety is a priority throughout the entire facility. Another important thing to keep in mind while doing this project is the comfort of the facility. It's important to keep this room comfortable, especially since the girls will be under a lot of stress and anxiety, and this will be the first building that they see. Since the faculty is not allowed to keep the girls from leaving the facility, the environment needs to be comfortable enough to make the girls want to stay there. This includes big, comfortable couches, an open concept, natural lighting, food, and warm, calming colors such as lavender. Our third and final focus is fun. It discourages the girls from leaving the facility since they can't be forced to stay, and gives them a chance to have a childhood. Some ways to create a fun facility include access to TV and the internet, books, arts and crafts, and any other thing that they ask for. Just a few pointers to get you started for spring. Try to keep constant contact with Leah. She's pretty busy and doesn't really reply to emails too fast, so ask specific questions when you do manage to get in contact with her. Also, start making a final design for the intake facility. This should be done by April. Good luck.